Hi, I'm Yuvashini, and this video is about the tutorial on how to add animation effect for technology in education assignment. So before we begin, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to add on the title. So the title of my presentation. So my presentation is about a digital story. So the title of this digital story will be The Ants and the Grasshopper. Okay. So once I add in the title, I'm going to click Insert button and I'm going to Pictures and I will be choosing Picture from File. So once I choose Picture from File, I can actually see a folder that includes all the pictures, background pictures, and those pictures that I needed for this digital story is actually included in this folder. So when you click on the folder, you can insert, and then you can choose on which background picture you would like to choose. So I'm choosing this picture and I'm clicking insert. So once I click insert, I am adjusting the picture accordingly to the frame of the slide. And after that, you can see design ideas. If you cannot see the design ideas, you can actually click on the design tab on the top of the PowerPoint. And at the last here, you can see design ideas. So you can click on it. After clicking on it, then you can choose what type of design ideas you would like to take in. So I'm choosing the first one, which will be this, and I will be removing the subtitle. But I'm also going to add in one more picture. So I'm going to insert button again, picture from file, and I'm choosing a picture, clicking insert. And for this picture here, it actually have white background. So I'm going to remove background. Again, click on the picture. You can see remove background. Click on it and I'm going to mark areas to keep, which will be the eyes. And the legs. Okay, and I'm going to keep changes. So I could still see some there. So I'm going to remove the white color. And I'm keeping the changes. After that, I'm going to click on the picture and I'm going to adjust it accordingly. That is very nice. So this is how it's going to be. And once this is done, I am actually going to click on the picture again, and this is where we're going to add animation effect. So the first animation that we're going to add in, before adding in, we are going to click on the animation tab on the top. After clicking it, you can actually see a lot of animations here, and I'm going to choose basic zoom. So that's how it goes. But once you choose it, if it's fast or you want to make it into slower, you can actually click on the number that is right beside the picture. So once you click on the number, you can actually see it here. So when you see it here, you can go to timing and you can make it into fast, not very fast. It will be fast. So after making into fast, you can actually click preview button. Once you click preview, you can see how your first slide will be. So this is how it's going to be. And next, I will be moving into the second title, the second slide. So for the second slide, I'm going to do the same thing. Go to insert, I'm going to picture from file, and I'm going to choose a nice background. Yeah, so after I choose a nice background, I'm going to insert it. Okay. Okay, after that, for the story of the type, for the story of the digital story, you can also save it in the notes so that you can use it. So the first one would be this, I have saved, and I'm going to click on the design. Okay, I'm using a design. So I'm clicking on the design and adding in I'm copy pasting the story. So once I copy paste, I'm bringing the story accordingly to the according to the line. And after adding it, and that is where I'm going to add on more pictures. Okay, after that, I'm going to add in some pictures, and the picture would be this. So once I click it, insert, I'm making it a little bit smaller. This is an ant. So ants have to be in its size, but I'm also making it a bit bigger. This is just for the digital story. So I'm going to copy paste a few times, and then I'm going to rearrange them. So once I have actually rearranged them, I'm also going to add in the grasshopper. Sorry. Sorry, I'm just going to undo this. All right. So now I'm going to insert button, and I'm going to picture from file, and I'm adding in the grasshopper. So once I add in the grasshopper, as I mentioned before, we are going to remove the background. Use the remove background button. So once I use the remove background button, I'm going to also click on mark areas to keep, so that I will mark on the areas that I want to keep, which will be all of this. Okay, once done, I'm going to keep changes and adjust the size, bring it to the top. All right, there it goes. Now we are going to the second part of the add animation effect. So as we can see, first that should pop up in a presentation slide is the background. So I'm going to the animation part. I'm clicking on the background first, then I'm going to the animation part. I'm clicking on dissolve in effect. After that, I am going dissolve effect. And after that, I'm going to the animation pane. So as you can see here, I'm going to timing fast because it was in very fast. So I want it to be fast, not very fast. After that, I would like the ends to come up one by one. So I'm going to choose fly in. So all the ants will be flying in. Adding the animations for all the ants. All right, so once the ants fly in, I'm going to get the grasshopper. So for the grasshopper, I would like to choose fade. Okay, so once I choose fade, I'm going to animation button. I'm clicking on fast. And for the wordings, I am choosing the whip animation. And for the whip animation, there is one part here called as text animations. I'm clicking on it. And I'm clicking on by word. So this is how it goes. Click on preview, you can see how it goes. This is the slide that comes in. To exit, this is the entrance of the slide. To exit, I am actually going to go one by one from the wordings. So I'm using the whip again, and I'm going to word. After that, the grasshopper will fade out. Yes, and the ants will fly out. There should be fly out animation. So all the ants will be flying out. Okay, and the last one would be the background. The background will be dissolving out. Okay. Sorry, the one more ant. And now we're going to background. Background will be dissolving out. Yes. So we can see the preview. This is how you will be using the animation effect for a digital story. Every part of the picture will have an animation because for digital story, it is very attractive and interesting to see the animation effects. So now moving on to the next slide. We are clicking on new slide. Okay, so first I'm going to click insert, and then I'm clicking pictures. I'm clicking on pictures from file. After that, I'm choosing my background. After inserting the background, I'm going to rearrange the background nicely first. After rearranging the background, I'm sending the background to back so that I can see the add-on title too. And here I'm actually going to choose the top title because I'm going to add in few pictures. So I'm going to click on insert again and pictures from file. After that, I'm going to choose this. So as for this, we all know that we need to remove background first. So I'm going to click on mark areas to keep again, and I'm clicking on the areas that I want to keep. Okay, so once done already, then I am actually going to copy and paste it 3 times for more ants. After that, I am going to going to insert button, pictures from file, and I'm adding in the grasshopper that is playing. And now I'm going to click on the remove background button. So after removing the background, I'm placing the grasshopper here, and that's it. Now I'm going to add in the story for this title. So I have added the story and now I am bringing the phones to 24. Now we're going to add the animation. So once we are ready to add the animation, we go to the animation button, click on the background first, then you go to animation button. After that, you can click on checkerboard if you want, go to fast. And I would like the ends to come up first. So I'm going to split, and split. Yes, after that, I'm bringing the grasshopper in. I would like to give white for the grasshopper. And for the grasshopper, I would like the animation to go to fast. And for the wordings, I would like to bring in the same animation effect, which is whip, but it will be going by word. And for the exit, I will go to the exit effects button. For the wording, I'm going to choose whip by word. The grasshopper is leaving. The grasshopper will be going out by fade. And the ends will be going out. Split. Again. Split. Again. And split. So basically, this is how you are going to use the animation button, add animation effect feature. So everything is in the animation button, and this is how you use the animation button. When you use the add animation effect button, you can also use the effect options and timings. Basically, timings are very important for creating the digital story because you need to exactly set how fast or slow you want your picture to fade in or fade out, appear or disappear. So that is very, very important. And also make sure when you add in the add animation effect feature, make sure you are adding it accordingly to which one you want it to appear first and disappear first. So thank you for watching this video and thank you for this opportunity for me to share add animation effect feature on how to be used. Thank you. Bye.